In the name of Allah, the most magnificent, the most merciful. I welcome you to Serenity Cuisine for another amazing Pakistani dish. Today I will share a traditional Pakistani cuisine, Sarson ka saag. This is a very popular and tasty dish loaded with nutrients. For making this recipe we need different types of leafy green vegetables. We need 3 kilograms mustard greens, 1 bunch of fenugreek leaves, 1 bunch bathue leaves and 1 kilogram spinach. The first step is to clean and cut these leaves, leaving out the rotten ones. Then the next step is to wash them properly. There should be no traces of soil. The next step is to boil these leafy green vegetable. Take 2 glasses of water in a pot and add salt and turmeric powder to it, then all the leafy green vegetables. Also add the turnips and 15 to 20 green chilies. If you are watching my video for the first time, please subscribe and follow for more traditional Pakistani recipes. After some time, these vegetables will start getting softer and cooked. When these veggies are fully cooked, add 3 tablespoons of whole wheat flour to it and blend with manual smasher or electric hand blender. If you reach this part of recipe, accept a special thanks. Please give a thumbs up as it will help me reaching more viewers. After blending dry water and make a thick paste. You can freeze and store saag and eat it later on. The final step is tarika. For this take oil, butter or desi ghee in a wok. Then add garlic to it and cook until golden brown and aromatic. Then add saag and let it simmer until it releases oil. It soaks a lot of oil. It seemed to be ready, as it's no more watery. Saag is ready. Let's dish it out and drizzle some butter. You can eat it with makai ki roti or whole wheat parathas. It's so simple and delicious. Hope you liked the recipe. See you soon with another yummy and healthy recipe. Take care of yourself.